Hi guys.
Hey guys. So walking the waterfalls today with Kyle.
Say hello. Hi.
So yeah, we're going to take you out for a walk today. It's looking quite nice actually, quite nice and warm. A bit dry, which is good. So yeah, we just sort of parked at a random car park and we'll catch you later on, guys.
Bye. Hi.
We just started the walk and well,
It's busy.
it's busy, very, very busy.
Extremely busy.
So many people about. I think probably everyone's attended on this route today. But
So we're doing the 4 waterfalls, which is by Brecon.
yeah. And it's quite a nice route
About
actually.
4 hours.
Yeah, we were sort of thinking of
4 hours.
taking Carl on a walk, maybe like Penavan or something like that. But we think maybe that's a bit optimistic. But
Today.
this is a longer route, but it's
Yeah. Say hello.
but yeah, this is a longer route. But for Carl, I think it's a bit of a nicer route. So not so much high terrain and things like that. So it should be nice for him. There we go. So we've been walking about a mile now.
Say hi, Carl.
So how are you feeling, Kyle? All good?
Yeah.
You've been
So-
jumping around, jumping in puddles.
Do a little turn. Show me your backpack you got. Yeah.
And your little camera as well.
Put your little camera.
Yeah, he's good to go.
Unfortunately, rookie error, we left his juice bottle in the car.
I know. So luckily we've got 2 water bladders ourselves, so he's all good. He's all good.
But he's doing so far so good.
He's doing really well actually. So, but I think he's looking forward to get to the waterfall. We can walk behind.
Yeah.
He's only probably about another like 20 minutes walk, something like that. I think.
Say bye.
Bye.
Hi guys.
Hey guys, so we've been walking about an hour now. We've done about a couple of miles.
Hi.
We're nearly at our first waterfall, which Carl's quite excited about.
Done very well.
Yeah, done really well, haven't you?
Tip is lots of stops.
Yeah.
Lots of little stops.
Lots of water.
Lots of water.
And you've been running round, haven't you?
Bit of chocolate bar to keep you going.
Yeah.
But he's doing very well.
There we go. We'll update you when we get to the waterfall.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, so we got here now, and it's an absolutely beautiful day, and it's absolutely rammed here. So we've sort of got this little spot which is out of the way, which is quite nice. But yeah, beautiful day. I mean, I'm happy. I've got my cup of tea in one hand, sandwich in the other, and after a quick pit stop, I think we're going to have a look at the walking beyond the waterfall. I think. So
Let's show you where we're going to
yeah,
go.
if you have a look.
Just behind us there is where we're going to go in. You can actually walk behind the waterfall. There's Nick and Carl just sitting there having some lunch. So we'll take you round when we get in there. But we're going to go and have some lunch and we'll get back to you after.
Yeah.
Bye.
So we're just walking back up the steps, and as you can see, Kyle's having to have a drink of water. It's yeah, quite a few steps, as you can see behind me. I think there's all in all about 117. So, well, he's had his water. You're ready to go, aren't you, Kyle? so we're just on the way back now after walking up the steps. We thought there was 107 steps or whatever, but it turns out there were how many?
174, I think.
174. So Kyle did pretty well. As you can see, he's still ploughing along behind us, just about. He thinks he's Bear Grylls. I don't quite know what he's doing there.
Oh.
Come on, Kyle. He's found a stick.
I think because there's been so many people and the kind of dodgy weather we've had, it made
been
the
absolutely
steps
rammed,
very,
yeah.
very slippy.
Yeah, and there's been so many people down there.
Muddy, slippy underfoot.
Yeah, we kind of got some pictures anyway of the waterfall. I made the rookie error. I forgot my polarizer, so my pictures were useless. But mine have got some quite good pictures actually. But yes, we're just on the way back to the car now, so we've probably got about another 20 minutes. But Carl's done really well. So he's walked, if I just have a quick look, he's just walked, all in all, how many miles? Just short of 3 miles, so that's not bad so far. It's not bad for his little legs.
No.
With Carl's little legs, it's probably about the equivalent of probably about 6 or 7 miles, so he's done really well. And he's still running along and things. Yeah.
But it's lovely up here. If we pan round that way, you can kind of see what is behind him.
Yeah. It's just nice and peaceful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
We've taken the shorter route back.
Yeah. We thought we'd take a different route, spice it up a bit for him. This is just nice and straightforward now. Only, you know, a tiny bit to walk.
Nasty hills to climb
Yeah.
at the end.
So we'll see how he gets on with those. But there we go. Hey guys.
Hi.
So yeah, we're just finishing our walk now, and as you can see, little legs. He had a blister, so unfortunately I had to stop walking, which meant he had to go on my shoulders.
Yeah, and have a plaster on it.
And have a plaster on it. But he's done really well. We've been walking now for what, about 2 hours 40 minutes. And we've done about 5 miles. So for his little legs, that's not bad. But luckily we had a first aid kit on us.
What, just under 8 kilometres, isn't it?
That's not bad. So yeah, we just put a plaster on him. And
We're going home now.
And we're going home. What we're going to have on the way back, Kyle?
Nice cup of tea.
Nice cup of tea, hot chocolate.
Yeah.
And what else?
Ice cream.
And maybe an ice cream on the way back. Yeah. But anyway, it's been a lovely walk. You enjoyed it, Mans?
Yeah, it's been good.
Been a lovely walk.
Busy.
Very, very busy.
I don't like
but
busy.
as you can see, with the weather as it's been a lovely day. Look at that, nice blue sky. Fantastic. So anyway, see you later, guys.
Bye.